let's dive into the introduction of hydroponics, a modern farming method that is revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Hydroponics allows us to cultivate plants without soil, relying instead on nutrient-rich water. This innovative method not only uses less water than traditional farming, but also enables farming in urban areas, even indoors. As a sustainable solution for our growing world, hydroponics helps produce more food with fewer resources, showcasing rows of leafy greens thriving in brightly lit indoor farms. Now let's explore how smart sensors are transforming hydroponics into a more efficient and controlled farming method. These sensors act like electronic gardeners, constantly monitoring and controlling the growth environment. They measure critical factors such as light, temperature, humidity, pH levels, and nutrient concentrations in the water. This data is crucial as it helps create the perfect growing conditions, allowing farmers to adjust these conditions in real time to ensure that the plants are always healthy and productive. In this section, we'll see how the data-driven approach in hydroponics is optimizing yield and efficiency. The abundance of data generated by smart sensors allows farmers to analyze and understand growth trends better. This knowledge leads to optimized plant growth, resulting in higher yields and better quality crops. Moreover, data analysis aids in resource conservation, enabling farmers to use just the right amount of water and nutrients, thus reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Indeed, smart hydroponics represents a win-win scenario for both farmers and the planet. In many cities, urban farms are utilizing smart hydroponics to revolutionize local food production. Take, for example, a rooftop farm in New York City, which employs sensors and artificial intelligence to cultivate an array of fresh produce. This innovative system continuously monitors plant health and adjusts environmental conditions automatically, ensuring optimal growth. As a result, the farm is able to produce substantial quantities of greens and herbs throughout the year. By providing a local source of fresh food, this farm significantly reduces transportation costs and emissions, serving as a stellar model for sustainable city living. As we look to the future, hydroponics equipped with smart sensors holds a promising potential. It's expected to play an increasingly significant role in addressing global food security. With the world's population on the rise, the demand for food intensifies. This technology offers a sustainable solution to enhance food production. Imagine the possibilities: vertical farms thriving in deserts or even in outer space. With ongoing advancements and innovation, hydroponics stands as a pivotal technology in our quest to create a more food-secure world.